Good morning, Facebook, YouTube. This is Scobie. I'm actually at the Vincent residence. We are in Loganville, and I am once again close to the house. So you know I love these. This is a beautiful day, beautiful neighborhood today, beautiful home. I like the way this house looks. It actually looks like a little country home or something. Or should I say a big country home, but it's nice. It's extremely nice. So let me show you what we have today. We have a screen and recoat today. It's a very simple job. They have some minor scuff marks on the floor, surface scuff marks, so they should come off easily. And I also have my brother with me today that I'm training from Milwaukee. He's going to be coming to stay with me permanently. So he'll actually be helping me on my bigger jobs from time to time. So we have this little hallway. We have this dining room area. We have this living room. And as you can see, the scuff mark goes all the way down and around here. And so we have scuff marks over here. And this is Charles, my brother.
What's up, YouTube? How you doing?
All righty. And we have this area here. And then we have this kitchen area. And so that's probably where you're going to see most of your scuff marks and stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Now this little area, this little hallway over here. All right, still on a lot of scuff marks. So we're gonna go ahead and get those out. All right. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. Stay with us. Put it on your hip. Keep it on your hip. That's why you control it. You ain't got it on your hip. That's why you're controlling it. That's why it's all over the place. All right, Facebook, YouTube. This is Scobie. We've actually cleaned and tacked everything. Everything looks great. Now we're starting to lay our first coat of poly. Okay, you can come on. And everything looks good. So we're laying our first coat of poly now. My brother actually going around the edges right now. Yep, stop right there. Come on, stop right there. Start rolling. Step back beyond this line and start rolling. You don't have to pick up all, don't push all of that. Don't push all of that. Step up. You ain't gonna be, yeah. Go all the way to the wall. You have to step up. You gotta go all the way to the wall. There you go. Get your roller wet. Get your roller even more wetter than that. Yeah, you ain't gotta get it all though. Yeah, about half of it. You're going back, so don't worry about that. Make sure you meet that line up there. You crossing the line? You crossing the line up there? Okay. Go up a little further. Keep going. Why you stop? Keep going. All the way to the wall. Now you start pulling that back. Pull it back too far because you don't want to block yourself in. Don't pull it back too far because you don't want to block yourself in. All the way against the wall. All the way against the wall. All right. Facebook, YouTube, this is Scobie. We are done. The customer's coming up right now to take a look at the floors and give us the payment. She's on the way up now. But all those scratches and everything is out of the floor. This floor looks fantastic. And the scratches are gone. Come on up, ma'am. You got shoes on? Okay, no shoes. All righty, here you go. Everything looks great. What you think, ma'am? What you think?
It looks good.
Okay. All right. Got another satisfied customer. We'll see you guys early next week. Good night.